somebody. You need to be in the front, William. You guys have life insurance, right? If you kill each other, we get $1 million? Wait, no, this is bad. Woo! Woo! It had to be loud on that boat. So redneck.
It was. You want to come see her on the phone?
Can you bring